हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच के संदर्भ में आज हम तीन अन्य फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच को स्टडी करेंगे। देयर इज वन फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, एंटीथेसिस। एंटीथेसिस विरोध बताती है, ए कॉन्ट्रास्ट, a contrast in the quality of two things and persons. Here you see there are some examples which tell us about the use of antithesis. Just as man proposes, God disposes. Here the word propose and dispose, they are showing the figure of speech antithesis. Give everyone thy ear, but few your voice. In this sentence also we have different thoughts which are contrasting. To err is human, to forgive divine. Here to err and forgive, they are opposite meanings, and human and divine, they separate the two sentences. This shows antithesis. We have some other examples which show you the use of this figure of speech.